Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to add friends in Honkai Star Rail. So guys, in order for you to add your friend, you have to first go through the tutorial and play the game for a little bit to unlock the feature of adding your friend. And once you unlock it guys, open up the phone feature on the top left corner of the screen. And then from here, guys, you're going to select friends over here. And then after that, you will have two options, befriend a stranger, and you will have here my friends. So guys, make sure to go to befriend a stranger. And then over here, you will have a feature to add a friend. Just type in their UID and you will be able to preview their profile, and you can send a friend request by clicking on the button on friend request. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.